How to simultaneously map pipe and connect assets. From the Action button located in the upper left, we select Create Assets. We then select Start Pipe. We are in the drawing mode, so each time we touch the screen, a pipe anchor is added. A section of pipe is added, and then we pause the pipe to add assets. First, we will add the hydrant on the corner by touching the location on the screen. We then scroll to the right and select the service meter, which we add by again touching the screen. We resume laying pipe. And again pause to add more service meters. Now we stop the pipe laying so that we can make the lateral connections to the assets. We leave the Create Assets menu and select the pipe icon, and then select Edit. Select the Edit Pipe Action button and show laterals. The assets appear in the lateral screen. Tap each asset to be connected to the pipe. A check mark will appear beside the selected asset. The lateral connection will be added as each asset is selected. Select Save and everything is connected. Additional information is added to each asset individually.